everybody, my name is Ronnie George with the George Group, and right now I am standing outside of one of the most amazing homes in Alexandria, Louisiana. Not only is this home located on a little street I like to call Millionaires Row, it's worth every penny. And by the time you get done with the complete tour, you're gonna know why we're asking $1 million for it. Not only does this home have over 6,000 square feet of living area on 1.6 acres with 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and its own private study completely wrapped in custom cypress. And it has a family room with coffered ceilings and a 60 square foot granite countertop. It's absolutely insane. But before I forget, you're gonna love this 800 bottle wine room. But enough talking about it, let's go ahead and take a look inside. Now I'm gonna tease you a little bit because I told you we were gonna go inside, but here's the first thing. If you're gonna buy $1 million property, you need to know where you're gonna park because you're probably gonna be having parties, having a lot of fun, maybe even some social gatherings, whatever it is, you need to know where you're gonna park all those cars. So one, you have this 3-car garage which sits right outside of the home, so it's easy access with a nice open breezeway. And then you have this big open parking area which actually can fit about 18 cars. So you don't even have to worry about where everybody's gonna park. So now let's go ahead and take a look on the way to the inside. So not only does this home have everything, and I do mean everything, it's even got 2 sunrooms, 4 fireplaces, and as I mentioned before, an 800 bottle wine room. That's insane. But before we get inside to see all that, let me show you this. This fountain that sits right out front of the house has its own raised garden. So if you want rosemary, you want onions, you want lettuce, whatever it is your heart's desire, it's right out there for you. The other cool thing is when you buy $1 million property, you're gonna have to think of maintenance. How am I gonna take care of this thing? Well, the best thing about it is this thing is so maintenance free that you practically don't have to do anything. It has brick and hardy board exterior, so you can just spray it all off so you're good to go. So the cool thing, right before we step inside, you got 2 entrances. You got a formal entrance and a side entrance. As you can see, I'm going in the side entrance and you're gonna see why in just a minute. So here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. We are in the family room. This spot has everything you could possibly want. And one of the first things you're probably gonna notice is that it doesn't have any windows, but it has a ton of doors. 8-foot doors, that's what it is. 8-foot French doors that you can completely open up to get a nice breeze all the way through. And if it gets too cold, shut them down, crank up the fireplace. This bad boy is one of 4 fireplaces in this entire home. But enough about this space, it ties into the kitchen, which I think you're gonna love a little bit more. So let's go ahead and check it out. This thing has everything, and I mean everything. This countertop right here, 1 solid piece of granite, over 60 square feet. This is bigger than some apartments in New York, I'm told. So also, you don't want to miss this because these are the tippy of the top of appliances. These are Thermador appliances. These are the most expensive, high quality appliances you're ever going to find on the market anywhere. And they're all in this house right here. From the fridge, the stove, the dishwasher, the microwave, it's all here. But enough about the kitchen. Let's go ahead and check out that wet bar and wine room. Remember how I told you before this thing can hold 800 bottles of wine? You be the judge. You like pool? I hope you do, because not only do you get the house and everything in it, you also get a pool table. Complimentaries of the seller. So let's go ahead and take a shot. You got a nice little powder room right there, overlooks the backyard. Probably one of the best parts of the house is this outdoor cooking pavilion that you're absolutely gonna love, but we're gonna get there shortly. So let's go ahead, loop around. This thing ties into another side of the house, but we're gonna check out the formal dining room. The formal dining room. here we are. This is what I was talking about when I said that you can have those perfect gatherings and entertainment. Not only do you have the space of your living room that ties into your billiard room, it goes right into the formal dining room. So it's perfect for entertaining right here in its own little nook. Now remember how I told you before, this thing had 2 entrances. Well, here is the main entrance that comes right into the formal part of the home. You have your formal dining room here and your formal sitting/living room over here. So come check it out. Check this out. If you want nostalgia, if you want history with a taste of modern, this home has everything you want. One side of your home is completely modern and up to date, and the other side is historic and rich in character. It has everything you want, but I'm still not even finished with the bottom floor. Check this out. This is the study that dreams are made of. Every man or woman, whatever you want. If you've ever wanted your own library, your own study room, your own little oasis, away in your own house, this is it. Check this out. This thing is completely covered in custom-built cypress panels from the coffered ceilings on top to the walls that are completely finished with a nice shiny lacquer. It's got everything. Look over here. So if you've had enough studying and you've just bursted your brain with all that knowledge, you want to sit back and relax, just take a couple steps over into the perfect sunroom that is to die for. You know, sometimes in life you really just need to slow down and appreciate things. And there's no better place to do that than right here. You can sit back, you can relax, you can sip on wine, you can read a book, whatever it is you want to do. It's complete silence. And you can actually sit back and appreciate everything that you have, everything that you've accomplished, and your amazing house. And when you do all that, and you get worn out, and you're ready to take a nap, or even go to bed, you need to go to your bedroom. So I haven't shown you those yet, so let's go check them out. All right, so upstairs, as I mentioned before, there's 4 bedrooms, but we're gonna check out the master bedroom first. So the master bedroom, or what's currently being used as a master bedroom, is amazing. Again, this one's eastward facing, so if you want the sunrise, this is perfect. You have another bedroom on the other side. If you don't like the sunrise, you can watch the sunset over there. Now check out the bathroom. When I say marble, I mean marble. This thing has marble from your countertops to your flooring to your stand-up shower. These things are solid sheets of marble, as well as this beautiful jacuzzi soaker tub. Now enough about the master bedroom. Let's go check out your other rooms. So stepping out your master, you're gonna have 3 bedrooms and 3 more bathrooms upstairs, but let's start at this bathroom right here. This thing has original plantation shutters, but a nice modern vanity with the soaker tub right over here. You close these doors off and it ties right into the bedroom, which overlooks the front of the house. So it's perfect for the guest that's staying over that just wants to sit back and relax and be completely confined from everybody, or just one of your kids that's just tired of dealing with everyone. So let's go check out the other rooms. So now this room is too cool. I would have loved to have this room as a kid because it's got its own little built-in desk, beautiful hardwood floors, which I wouldn't appreciate it as a kid, but I can now. Built-in closets right over here and a study/game room that overlooks the backyard with its own bathroom, no less. So you never even have to leave this entire room. It's just like the other one, but only bigger. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the second master. Well, for one, you're in it. This thing is huge. If you want a little more of a modern flair with a lighter touch and a wall of windows, well, this is the perfect room for you. The other side, you have more of a formal, more luxurious. This one, it's just a little more modern. It's just a little more relaxed, a little more casual. So you have a huge walk-through closet, which goes from wall to wall, and then a huge master bathroom. So that's all your bedrooms and all your bathrooms that are upstairs. Now, this is probably the moment you've been waiting for, this cook pavilion that I've told you about in this outdoor back area. I think you're really gonna love it. So let's go check it out right now. So let's talk about that outdoor pavilion. It's got custom built cabinetry with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a wood burning fireplace. I mean, who has that? Well, you could have that. That's kind of the point of this whole video, isn't it? Now, let's not forget about the pool. Ben?
Hey guys, my name is Ben Smith of the George Group. I'm co-listing this property with Ronnie. This house is an entertainer's dream, and you're not gonna find a property like this listed at this price at $1 million with this many amenities to it. If you're looking for a house that has everything you've ever dreamed of, look no further, because it's right here.
All right, so I think we've shown you just about every inch of this 6,000 square foot home from top to bottom to in to out. You've seen it. You've seen the wine room. You've seen the study. You've seen the sunrooms. You've seen the fireplaces, the formal living, the formal dining. You've seen it all. If you don't think this home is worth $1 million, then, well, you're watching the wrong video. It's worth every single penny that we're asking for it, and it could be yours. And it could be even easier to be yours. All you have to do is send us a message today. If you want more info about it, click the link above. It will send you to a full page write-up about everything that I said in this video, but more specifically, you'll see every single detail, upgrade, and amenity about this home that I couldn't tell you on this video. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. My name's Ronnie George, and you met Ben Smith outside. And when you think real estate, think the George Group.